I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You open Vscode and immediately launch the integrated terminal with Control+. Once done, select the shell that matches your workflow, Bash, ZSH, or PowerShell, so commands behave predictably. Now verify Node. JS and npm by running node v and npm v. If they're absent, install them outside Vscode, then restart. Make sure your project folder is active in the terminal, prompt so subsequent commands like npm init affect the right directory. You'll now wire up scripts and run code. First, create package. JSON with npm init y or customize it, add a start script like node src/index. JS so you can run npm start. To develop faster, install Nodeman as a dev dependency and run npx nodeman src/index. JS for auto restarts. Once set, use Vscode tasks by adding tasks. JSON to automate builds or tests and invoke them via terminal run tasks. You finish by integrating debugging and source control. Set breakpoints in your JS files and press F5 to launch the node debugger. This lets you step through code and inspect variables. For version control, run git status, git add, git commit, and git push from the terminal or use the source control view for visual commits. If something breaks, first check path and restart the integrated terminal, then read stack traces to locate errors. Reinstall node modules if dependency issues persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.